So I've never been to Brooklands before, and walking through the gate, yeah, I knew it was a good museum, but I was standing around some, the Wellington here. It's just an amazing, amazing place. Thank you for Burrells and getting us here and putting on such a lovely evening.
Hello everybody, welcome to Brooklands Experience. My name's Mark and I'm going to be looking after you for just the next 20 minutes.
I never know about museums. Am I pleased that they've been restored and they're still here? But I always get slightly sad they're not flying.
So we're going to walk across to underneath the plane, so if you'd like to follow me.
Anyone who comes to a museum like this, you appreciate engineering and what goes into our watches. You buy a mechanical watch because you appreciate engineering, and we put so much effort into that.
Only a total of 20 were built, and of those 20, only 14 went into airline service.
I'm here wearing the Supersonic, which is our 50th anniversary in regards to the Concorde. So it's an incredibly emotive aircraft.
And what happens to metal when it gets hot? It expands. And Concorde was no different. It grew by 8 inches. But that is over 202 feet. One of the school parties I had on, he said to me, "Did it grow that much every time you flew?"
And our DNA is aviation watches, so without doubt there's pilots or people interested in aviation who are buying ours. But an aviation watch, it's not a diving watch and it's not a dress watch. It's this middle ground of a practical watch you could wear in the border or up Mount Everest.
We're just about to start up our 4 Rolls-Royce Olympus engines. We'll reach Mark II at 50,000 feet and continue climbing up towards our service ceiling of 60,000. At that height, you're on the edge of space.
When we started working with British Airways, it's about creating something that really is celebrating those 50th years. This is an aircraft that is outdated. It shouldn't be flying, but it's celebrating what it achieved. Doing a limited edition piece is talking about a piece of history. It's creating something which is stunning. It's not gimmicky anyway, so if you have no interest in Concorde, you'd still be interested in the Supersonic watch. But what a piece! It's officially endorsed British Airways and Concorde watch, so it's quite self-absorbing though. All our limited editions, mechanically they have to be unique. It's very subtly, it's the shape of the Concorde, and I think that they've sold incredibly well. I think there's only a few left. Have you got any here?
We've got the stainless steel and we've got the rose.
Well, there you go. 2 here. So there are literally hardly any of these left. It's about celebrating these wonderful things. When someone buys a Bremont watch, you're buying into the Bremont family. There aren't many founders of watch brands still around, and I think we take great pleasure meeting our clients. You're buying into a piece of that history.